Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all of you who are new. Today I have a great video for you. We are doing a guest bedroom makeover featuring a gorgeous black velvet bed frame from Amerlife. Thanks to Amerlife for partnering up with us today. Guys, I am super duper excited about this bed frame. It is so gorgeous, so fabulous. I cannot wait to show it to you. As you can see, it is packaged very well so everything can be protected during transit. Of course, it came with a manual that's always handy and a toolbox with all necessary hardware. We are ready to start putting the bed together. Of course, I'm not gonna let you sit through the entire assembly.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend.
I want to quickly take a moment to show you guys the support system of the bed frame. It is really good. It is very strong. It is really firm.
Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get.
I'm adding the last piece of the frame and we are done with installation. It wasn't bad at all. It took my husband approximately 2 hours to put it together.
But I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend.
Look at the detail on this bed, you guys. It has beautiful silver studs that makes it a little bit extra glam. These are the legs. They are in metal. It goes without saying the fabric is velvet. And you guys already know how I feel about velvet. Anything velvet, scream luxury. So this is a luxurious bed, you guys. And on top of it, it's black. And black is luxury in home decor as well. I'm giving you the close-up on the fabric so you guys can see this luxurious velvet. It is just a beautiful piece of furniture, you guys. I love my new bed, you guys, and I'm sure you can agree with me that it is gorgeous. If you are looking to upgrade your bedroom, you have to check out this bed frame. Not only it is beautiful and glam, but the quality seems to be great. The price point is not bad at all. It is affordable. By the way, I have the king size and they also have it in a dark gray color. Link for the bed frame will be in the description box. Check it out. Now I'm gonna take you from the top to show you how I made the bed and talk about the makeover. Of course, I started with white sheets. If you have been on my channel for a long time, you know I use white sheets on all of my beds. It makes the bed look clean, fresh, and when it comes to the guest bedroom, I love to give my guests peace of mind. Therefore, white sheets will do that. Speaking of guests, if you are visiting us for the first time, welcome to the family. Just in case if you did not catch it, my name is Dalou. I upload home decor videos, DIY, and a little bit of cleaning. And from time to time, a little bit of lifestyle. If you are interested in any of these topics, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. Also, remember to check me out on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou and Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou. Big thank you to all of you, my Glam squad, for stopping by again today. Then I follow with a quilt sheet. Just like the first sheet, I tucked in everything. I do the hospital fold. Always, that's what's gonna keep everything neat. Followed by a comforter, and that's what I'm fixing on the bed right now. It's not a thick comforter, but it is bamboo, so it's very comfortable. It's very soft. It is a good one for a guest bedroom. But because it is bamboo, it gets a lot of wrinkles, so I'm gonna have to steam it later on. Once again, we are going to tuck in everything. To give it that extra luxurious look, I also roll another comforter and cross it in the middle of the bed. I have some wrinkles. I'm gonna steam it later. Actually, this is the comforter and I have the duvet cover on top of it to give me that white because I want it all white. And I did not want to put the comforter inside of the duvet cover, so I did it just like that. To make sure I have that extra length that you guys see on the side, I have more of it on one side because this is a king size bed. There's no way I could have this length on both sides. Later on, I will show you how I cover it up so it can look really nice and seamless. Then of course, I added lots of pillows. On the back, I have my silk pillowcases. That's what's gonna be used to sleep. The square pillows are velvet. They are simple but very elegant. They are from my website. They are an off-white beige, a darker beige, I would say. They are huge, 24 by 24, affordable, only $35. Oh, they are pillowcases. Now it's time to add some glam on the bed. Beautiful, super glamorous pillowcases from my website. These are gorgeous, you guys. When I tell you they are gorgeous, they are super duper gorgeous. If you're interested, go on the website right now to check them out. I only have a few left. They are 20 by 20 pillowcases. This throw on the bed serves two purposes. Number one, it provides style and comfort. Number two, it covers the side of the bed where the rolled up comforter did not reach to. You already know if I do not have 2,000 pillow on the bed, I am not happy. So I added this super duper cute lumbar pillow on the bed. These are pillowcases. I love them. They are also available on my website. I also added a super cute bench from Amazon. Very modern. Love the design, although the black is not showing the full design because it's black, but as you can see, it is very stylish. It has a good amount of storage to store items for my guests. To complete the look on the bench, I have a very beautiful mirror tray with beautiful pink, purplish flowers that are available on my website. I added some super glam branches on the side of it. Then I added 2 books from Amazon. On top of the books, I have a cute bowl. And a beautiful candle to create a beautiful ambience and some beautiful smell. As you can see, the container is very glam, very luxurious. The scent is fantastic. It is available on my website. On the wall, I started with 2 small wall arts. I also have 2 mirrors on each side of the bed. The mirrors are available on Amazon. I have mirror nightstand that bring out the silver on the bed, and this is an antique mirror with a modern twist. The nightstands are very beautiful and glam. They are a perfect match for the bed frame. They pull out the silver studs that are on the bed frame. I kept the nightstand pretty simple. I have a crystal vase with some pretty orchids from my store and a gold round bowl. I kept the other side pretty similar, the crystal vase with my beautiful orchids and a monkey. If you notice, I do not have any lamps. You guys will see why later. The nightstands are from Amazon. On the other side of the wall, I added my beautiful olive tree from Amazon. Mirror container, you can also find it on Amazon. By the way, if you are interested in any of these items from Amazon, make sure to check out my Amazon store. Link for this store will be in the description box. I love this wall art. So gorgeous. I originally got it from either Home Goods or Home Sense. I created a beautiful conversation area using my white and gold chairs. They definitely take the room to the next level. On the chairs, I have my fuzzy ivory pillows. However, I wasn't sure if I should keep them or not. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can see what they look like with the rest of the room. Or the other option will be these plum pillows. They are super beautiful as well. These are pillowcases, not the actual pillow. They are available on my website. They go really nice with the flowers in the room and definitely add more color. What do you guys think? One more time, let's look at the other one. Which one do you guys prefer? I added another throw on the side of the chair. This is my paper throw, also available on the website. This is one of my stackable tables from downstairs, the one that used to be in my living room. And I'm using a beautiful black and gold vase, also from my website. I love this vase. It is super duper cute and unique with some beautiful branches. My gorgeous mirror is from Amazon. This is another beautiful piece from Amazon. This work is just so gorgeous. Love the gold, the dark gray, the light color. Is just a perfect work. You guys have seen it in my living room. And now look at it in the bedroom and it's doing it justice. As I mentioned, all of these things will be on my Amazon storefront. To conclude the makeover in the bedroom, I added one more thing. I know you guys are going to love it. These are some beautiful pendants that I got from Amazon. What's so cool about them, they are battery operated. There is no need to do any hard wire. Also, it came with a charger to charge the batteries. This way we don't have to keep buying battery, and a remote control. As I mentioned, no hard wire is necessary. It's all battery operated. As you can see, there is no electrical box on the ceiling. The install was so simple. It took only a few minutes. And voila. As you can see, they are beautiful, very vibrant, especially they are operated with battery. I'm very satisfied with them. But guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my new lights. I think they are fantastic. They are very convenient and easy way to add lighting and glam to your home without having to pay a bunch of money or doing hard work. But leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this bedroom makeover. Let me know what you think about the lights. What do you think about the bed frame? As for me, I am truly enjoying all the items that I selected for this makeover. I love the bed frame. It is so glamorous yet very affordable. It is everything that I could ask for and then some. Over the weekend, I had some guests. They loved the bed frame. They couldn't stop talking about it. But guys, I really want to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Love the pillow as well. Love the throw. Everything in this room is just so fabulous. Thanks to Amerlife for supporting today's video. Link for the bed frame will be in the description box. I definitely recommend this bed frame, so please check it out. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Before you leave, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Love always. Bye-bye.